Welcome to Complete Email, providing email marketing solutions for your benefit. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be informed when I post. Every brand is different, and building your email list works best when you know where your ideal audience hangs out. Here's a list of tactics to run through to build your email list. 1. Sign-up forms. The most common way to gather email addresses is through a sign-up form on your website. Pop-up forms convert at a higher rate than fly-out forms. Sign-up forms have submission rates of more than 6%. Having forms on mobile will result in higher submission rates than on desktop. If that's not in your budget, you have alternative options. These include embedded forms and pop-up forms. 2. Brand partnerships. Great things happen when we work in teams. One of the most effective ways to see fast email list growth after a good amount of relationship building is by leveraging someone else's. When you're performing competitive analysis for your brand, find complementary brands. These are brands that don't compete for revenue with yours, but your products could make a great bundle if people bought them as a set. Look for brands that are more well-known than yours but haven't formed partnerships in your category yet. This cross-section will make for a great partnership. To ensure both brands have something to gain, odds are your brand partnership will be about much more than building an email list. To provide value with this partnership, you can add giveaways, social media content, website promotion, or co-branded products. 3. Referral marketing. Some of the best people to help grow your email list are your loyal customers. If you have a loyalty program, you have an opportunity to grow your email list with customers who already love what you do. A loyalty program uses rewards like discounts, early access to new products, or exclusive access to products or brand features to encourage people to keep buying. When you're using this system, you're attaching certain customer actions to benefits. One of those actions could be to sign up or ask a friend to sign up for your email list. 4. Short codes. A short code is a 5 or 6-digit number that allows brands to send text messages to their SMS list. If you have a large email list, you may want to start using it to grow your SMS list. To do this, include a short code in an email and ask the recipient to text that number with a keyword, like join, to subscribe to your SMS list. When the recipient clicks on the short code on mobile, a text message will open so they can text the keyword to subscribe to the list. In the email, make sure to include text that informs people what they're opting into when they send the subscribe word to your number. This is important for gathering explicit consent, which is required by law for SMS and email lists. 5. Quizzes. Interactive quizzes are a great way to accomplish 3 things: collect plenty of customer-first data on product preferences, build your email list, and develop a custom welcome series that can lead to more sales. 6. Niche communities. If you're a brand that caters to a specific, niche audience, you may be able to leverage small or emerging online communities to build your email list. As more people hang out in messenger apps like Discord, Slack, and Signal, small brands may be missing opportunities to tap into those communities to build their lists. But be careful, as not everyone wants to be sold to. But your brand may be right for this kind of list building if it appeals to a niche audience. Your audience is united by a mission. You're willing to engage in conversation with this audience with the goal to learn more rather than promote your product. This list-building tactic requires patience, emotional intelligence, and a collaborative mindset. Your first priority here isn't to ask people to subscribe to your list, it's to help your community first, over a months-long period of time, and suggest a closer relationship through email after you've contributed value.